So in the previous video, we looked at this definition. We ended it by looking at interior angles and exterior angles, and we did some practice at spotting what these angles are. What we're going to look at here is just a special property that you may have noticed. Because it's a straight line in each case, you can say the exterior angle plus the interior angle is going to always add up to the same thing. So again, if I extend this out, that's the exterior angle. It's not very well drawn. Let me try that again. The exterior angle and the interior angle. You can see that they're all going to add up to 1. So that's one of the first things that you need to just make a note of. The interior angle plus the exterior angle always sums to 180. And it's really simple. I can just pick a random vertex. So pick this one here. If I extend the line, I can go in either direction. This time I'm just going to go down this way. Then I know that this exterior angle plus this interior angle has to sum to 180. So exterior plus interior equals 180. And that's going to be true at every vertex. So again, I'm just going to pick a random vertex here. If I go along, that's my exterior. And then this is my interior. So if I know one, I can work out the other by taking it away from 180. So exterior, interior, and again here, just go in the other direction. This would be your exterior, and this would be your interior. Okay, so here's an example of a question. Part of a red polygon is shown, and the rest of the shape is hidden behind the blue screen. So the rest of the shape, we don't know what it looks like. It could, for example, just be something like that. It could be something much more complicated. Something like that. And you can see there's a whole bunch of possibilities, but it doesn't actually matter what the rest of the shape looks like. We can only see this red bit of the shape, which are the exterior angles. So you have 4 options here. Make a decision for yourself. There's going to be 2 of these are exterior angles. So if this is the red shape, then you extend the line. You can see that this is your exterior, this is your interior. So the exterior angle is A, which is 180 minus 120. So 180 minus 120 is 60. And then this vertex, as you go to the next vertex, you can see as you go towards the shape, that's a 50 degree. This is the exterior angle, and we need to find the interior one. So for B, we're going to do 180 minus 50, which is 30 degrees. So that's your answer. Here's another shape. Pause the video and have a go, and then I'm going to show you the answer. Okay, so we are going to say, well, this is extended. So pick a vertex. If we drag it this way, so we're going in that line there, we can see A is our exterior angle, B is our interior angle. Now this one is actually quite easy to work out because we know that 90 plus 90 is 180. So A is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90 degrees. And then we're going to look at the next bit, which is working out B. So if we know the interior angle is 100, now in this case, B is not the exterior angle because we haven't extended the line. The exterior angle would have either been this one that I've just highlighted, or if we extended the line in the other direction, that would have been the exterior angle. So we need to be careful about that. This is just the outside angle. It doesn't really have a specific name. So in this case, to work out B, we are going to do 360 take away 100. That's going to give you 260 degrees, and that's the value of B. In the next video, we're going to be looking at a few interactives to do with angles in polygons.